Hello everyone. Again, a topic today about security. An empty van, an image that no one likes to see. What happens today in this situation? Vauxhall Vivaro, Renault Traffic, Prima Star B, so 2016 onwards. Although the customer had installed a slam lock, what has happening, as you can see, the thief, they drill a very tiny hole in the door, and by doing so, this is the lock. They have managed to access it by putting just a screwdriver, and they've easily opened the door and obviously emptied the van in seconds. So unfortunately, those slam locks, they're not bulletproof, so something more has to be done apart of those. And what we're going to do for in this instance, we're going to do a protector that is going to cover the whole lock, so even the hole is cut as this in the present situation, they won't be able to access the mechanism. As you can see, it's easy to be accessible because it's a plastic, and obviously plastic breaks very easy. So yeah, again, security and method of securing your van and belongings better. Hopefully, by seeing this, more can be done to prevent this unfortunate situation, having an empty van. Thanks for watching, and don't forget car key solutions for any car keys and immobiliser solution. Thanks for watching.